So I have somewhat of a taco addiction. I love tacos, especially fish tacos. I just ate at Taco Mesa and I got to thinking, how hard could it be to make a taco? And luckily from this YouTube channel, I've made about $110 since hitting 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for that. So I'm going to take that $110 and I'm going to buy a fishing charter in Santa Barbara. Hopefully we can catch some fish and recreate these tacos that are so amazing here at Taco Mesa in Costa Mesa. It leaves tomorrow at 6 a.m. I'm gonna drive up to Santa Barbara right now. We're gonna camp in the element overnight and then hopefully we catch some fish. And if we do catch some fish, we're gonna do a catch and cook right here in the Honda Element. So if you enjoy van life and hiking content, make sure to give this channel a thumbs up and like and subscribe. And let's go catch some fish. All right, we made it here to Santa Barbara. There's some really cool like windsurfers out here and I'll give you a peek at them before my buddies arrive. All right, Jay is now here. He's the official resident fisherman expert here. So he's gonna be our guide because I have no idea what I'm doing.
20 miles out to Santa Rosa Island and we're gonna find some honey holes. And we're not coming back without limits. So we got our work cut out for us, but I'm pretty stoked about it. And when we can bring our fish back, we'll be doing a little bit of a cookout too. So a little catch and cook. And the plan is to have some beer battered tacos.
We're waiting for one more person, but we'll see you guys in the morning. It's always kind of interesting being in a new place and like looking for a spot to park. Usually it's pretty easy actually, especially in the elements. It's kind of like it won't stick out as much. Once we find a spot, if we find a spot, we'll crash for the night. Well, it's so busy out here in Santa Barbara, but we found a perfect spot. I got everything set up. It's nice and quiet and dark, and we're gonna head to bed, get a really good night's sleep, and then we'll get up nice and early, 5 a.m. tomorrow, to get on the boat and finally get those delicious, delicious tacos. See you in the morning. All right, good morning, y'all. It's time to get on this boat. I'm not late. You're late. Boating montage, let's go. My forearm is killing me. But I think we have a fish. I hope so.
This is a great shot of your muscles. No! What a poser!
It's right there.
Let's zoom into the till the bird's getting it.
Oh. All right.
Just go ahead and reel.
Yep. Okay.
Over here, we need some help.
Got a fish. This is definitely more fast-paced than I had anticipated. Here's some of the fish we caught. Whew. There we go.
20. Okay, Doc, bring it out in here.
Woo.
Wow.
Congrats.
Probably tie one on with a reverse dropper loop. We'll be fishing whole squid and anchovies.
Thank you, thank you. Appreciate it.
22, 21.
Mission success. We got the fish. Now it's time to get in the element and start cooking these bad boys up to get my tacos finally.
So super cool. Like countertop.
Right?
We have our butcher board countertop here. Here we have our corn tortillas, some shredded cabbage. We have some lime and some flaky salt and freshly ground black pepper.
Yeah.
Temperature, make sure it's cooked through.
Oh yeah.
But
all right, let's give this a taste. That's so good. All right, this isn't a full taco, just a little piece, a little teaser. Here it is. All that work for this one moment.
Okay.
She doesn't even look when she crosses the street.
Well, hello there, YouTube. Nice to see you again. Here I am in the parking lot with my famous friend. And I'm going for it. Oh my god! These are bomb! Copyright, copyright. You guys should have this. Wow, we should start a mukbang.
Mukbang? Mm-hmm. Okay. Leave a comment down below if me and Viv should have a mukbang.
Wait. I have to show you the food.
Ooh.
I have to try the food. ASMR.
we went fishing out of Santa Barbara to catch this beautiful fish, freshly caught by all these guys out here. And we just did beer batter tacos in the parking lot. So I'm just gonna bite in, okay? Oh, so much flavor, so fresh. Lime, beer batter, crunch. One of the best tacos.
Thanks for showing us how to fish, my brother.
Anytime. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it, and this is why I do it right here.
All right, here we go. So good. Unreal. All right, second bite. Now that is a good fish taco. So good. So worth all the struggle. All right, mission success. We made some epic tacos. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you're not already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe if you enjoy van life and content just like this. If you want to see more, leave me a comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.